So guys, meron nagtanong, sabi niya, Coach, paano po ma-practice yung shooting form? When we talk about shooting form, mga ka-ballers, ibig sabihin nun, yung pinapractice natin, yung form. It doesn't matter kung na-shoot natin yung bola or hindi. Remember, for first progression lang yun, practice ng shooting form. And then after mo ma-practice or ma-perfect yung shooting form mo, magpo-progress na tayo ng tama yung shooting form at the same time, na-shoot. Okay, so second progression yun, no? So, dun muna tayo sa first progression, practicing your shooting form. Which means, pag practice ng shooting form, kailangan bibilangin mo yung shooting form na tama, okay? Hindi yung shoot. Like for example, tumira ka, tama yung shooting form mo, tapos na-shoot, 1 yun, okay? Tandaan, tama yung shooting form. Pangalawa naman, tama yung shooting form mo, pero sablay, no? That is 2. Why? Kasi tama yung form mo, pero sablay lang talaga. Naintindihan? And then yung third around, yung pang tatlong na tira, shoot. Tapos yung shooting form mo, mali. Shoot mo, yung ball, yung follow through mo, nakatutok sa ring. Yung next time na, pagka-shoot mo, nakaganto yung follow through. Okay? So, hindi natin i-count yun kahit na shoot. Why? Kasi yung shooting form mo, mali. So, doon nagkakamali yung iba pag nagpa-practice ng shooting form, no? Bakit? Kasi nga, gusto nila na-shoot. Okay? Pero hindi nila iniisip na mali naman pala yung form nila. Tandaan nyo, pag babaguhin nyo yung shooting form, kailangan laging tama yung form ninyo. Whether it is shoot or not. Basta yung focus natin, yung shooting form. At the same time, idol, pag ipapractice mo na yung shooting form mo, may tip ako sa ituturo, no? Videohan mo yung sarili mo. Like for example, ganito, no? Pagkatira, nag-shoot ako, mga 10. Okay, 10. Then after ko mga 10 na shoot, after mo makashoot, i-compare mo yung tira mo. Baka sa first shot, second shot, third shot, fourth shot. So yun yung gagawin mo, i-compare mo, videohan mo yung sarili mo, no? Tapos from there, pwede mong baguhin. Okay? So nakita mo, ay, yung sa pangatlong tira ko, mali yung form ko. Sa pangalawa ko, tama. Pangatlo, panglima, yung pinaka mali ko lang 3 beses. So, pwede kang magbago ng form from there, no? Remember, idol, pag bago ng shooting form, ang goal is yung shooting form. Hindi mo na goal yung pag-shoot or hindi. Basta yung practice mo, shooting form, and then after nun, i-progress mo naman, tamang shooting form, at the same time, shoot.